50 daily life communication sentences. Hello, hi, good morning, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Rahul. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from India. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Are you busy? No, I'm free. What are you doing? I'm studying. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Would you like some tea? Yes, please. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Where are you going? I'm going to the market. Can I help you? Yes, please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. Yes? Sorry, I'm late. That's okay. Please sit down. Thank you. Can you hear me? Yes, clearly. Do you understand? Yes, I do. Can you repeat that? Sure. What happened? Nothing much. Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. Do you need help? Yes, please. Let's go. Okay. Wait a minute. Sure. I'm ready. Let's go. Are you coming? Yes, I'm coming. What is this? It's a book. Whose bag is this? It's mine. Is this your phone? Yes, it is. Can I use your pen? Of course. I like your shirt. Thank you. You look nice today. Thanks a lot. How was your day? It was great. Did you eat lunch? Yes, I did. Are you tired? A little. Let's have dinner. Sounds good. What would you like to eat? I'd like some rice. Would you like some water? Yes, please. It's raining. Don't forget your umbrella. Be careful. I will. Have a safe trip. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. Thank you. Good night. Good night, sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye, take care.